my god, my keys. I'm gonna have to call a locksmith. Yeah, can you please come over here? I locked myself out of my car. Wait. Yeah, please. You're gonna bring a hero? Okay, whatever. As long as you just come and just lock my car, please. I need to be somewhere. Okay, I don't care if it's a thank you for being a hero. Okay. Is that him? Okay. Does he even have anything with him? Hi.
Hi, hello.
Are you the locksmith?
Yes. This car?
No, this one over here.
You have to open this one.
No, this one over here.
Oh.
Thank you.
It'll still be the same price.
Yeah, I already told you this one. Can you, like, I really gotta be somewhere, like, not to be rude, but, can you please open it? I don't know how you're gonna open it.
What happened?
Sir, I just left my keys inside the car.
Okay. Did you leave anything open?
No.
Okay. Well, I have bad news.
Okay.
I don't have any tools.
Well, what are you doing here? I need someone to come and open my car.
I did tell you I was going to be a hero. I was going to bring a hero.
Yes.
Right? Well, I brought my son.
You're joking.
No, I'm being serious. Manny, can you be a good boy and open the door?
Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
Ma'am,
Sir.
we do this all the time. Okay?
This is not very professional.
This is the #1 locksmith in the world. We don't bring no tools. All I have is my little Manny. Manny, come here. I'll just put him through here.
Oh god.
There you go. Watch this. Buen trabajo.
No.
Nomás que sí es un poco renegón.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Hey, wait, Manny. Manny, get off the car. Salte el
Get
carro,
off.
Manny. Salte el carro.
Dude, he's gonna
Manny.
crash my car.
Manny.
I understand that you helped me open my car. Can you please tell him to get off? I need to be somewhere.
Salte el carro.
He's a little kid.
Manny. Hey, wait.
Oh my
Manny.
god. Tell
Manny.
him please to stop or
no.
go after him.
I don't know that kid. Bye-bye, Manny.